All right. So yeah, I look like a weirdo right now, but I'm just trying this out here. This selfie stick is actually part of the GoPro Hero 9 accessory package that I bought when I bought the GoPro Hero 9. It came with a helmet cam, it came with a wrist mount, it came with a chest mount. So I'm trying out right now the head mount, obviously, as you can see on top of my head. So I'm actually recording right now on the GoPro Hero 9 and using this selfie stick right here. It's actually pretty decent. It's a monopod selfie stick. So yeah, just taking a walk today in Riverside Park here in New York City. It's actually a beautiful day today, and right now on the Canon M50 I have the 15 to 45 millimeter lens, which is the kit lens. I actually have the KNF Concept 49 millimeter variable ND filter on as well, so hopefully that'll help with the daytime shooting. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. I figured I'd vlog a bit, get some good footage today, and eventually put it up on YouTube and social media. So just enjoying a beautiful day. It's about 63 or 65 today. Beautiful spring April day. So definitely really nice. Really nice. I'm gonna switch up my arms while I vlog here, kind of get some help with the strain of holding it up. But I like this selfie stick. I only have it extended a bit. It's actually not extended that much, but with the 15 millimeter lens, you definitely get a pretty decent viewing angle, you know, much better than just holding the camera by myself. So definitely pretty cool, you know. I know I must look like a special person to everybody here with the camera on my head and the camera in front of me, but you know, if you're gonna do YouTube, you're gonna be a content creator, you can't worry too much about what people think while you're doing your work, right? So they'll be okay and I'll be fine. So just enjoying this beautiful day. I'm gonna take a little walk, you know, just see the sights. It's just beautiful. Just a beautiful day today. So we're definitely enjoying the sights here. My GoPro Hero 9 on my head right now is recording at 1080p 30 frames, I believe wide angle. So definitely you know, I'm keeping it basic. I mean, I got the GoPro Hero 9, it could do 5K if I wanted to, but I've noticed with the 5K footage I have issues with playing the files on my computer. I have a Windows 10 Asus laptop, and for some reason it just won't play well, you know, like just plays pretty crappy. But I'm just gonna walk down, turn around. We're right by the highway, the West Side Highway here in Manhattan. So just taking a nice little walk. Beautiful weather, beautiful day, enjoying the sights. Another beautiful spring day. How you doing? So yeah, it's another beautiful day today in New York City. So tell me what you guys think. Let me know how the footage comes out. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or any recommendations, just anything that's on your mind, just let me know. Feel free to leave in comments below on YouTube. But yeah, I know I must look special, but I don't care. My mama told me I'm special, so thank you, mama. My wife tells me I'm special all the time, so I'm used to it. But yeah, just another beautiful day here in New York City. Another spring beautiful day. On a personal note, I am vaccinated, fully vaccinated. I was fortunate enough to get both doses of the Moderna vaccine. But what they do tell you after you get vaccinated is that you still have to use a mask in public, you know, until we all reach herd immunity, you know. And I think it's 70 or 85% of the population has to be vaccinated before we can kind of have a resemblance of what life used to be before COVID. So, you know, it's been a heck of a ride. I'm sure, you know, my prayers out to all the families, all the people that lost loved ones in the last year or so. You know, as a country in the United States, we've lost over 550,000 people to COVID. So it's been a really tough time, and my heart and prayers go out to all the families that have been affected by COVID. You know, this is something that I don't think anyone could have been prepared for. And not to get into politics, how things were handled and stuff like that. I'm not going to do that. That's for another time, another conversation. But you know, it's just great to know. It seems like we're starting to make progress, and hopefully in future videos, you know, we can look back at stuff like this, videos like this, and just remember how 2020 and 2021 was. You know, it was definitely very challenging, very challenging. So that's my thoughts. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, beautiful day in the park, Riverside Park. I will be doing a lot of footage in Central Park, Riverside Park. Those are the two parks that are close by to where I live. So just good for me to get exercise, take nice walks, and, you know, just make some nice videos using my cameras. But yeah, this is awesome. It is really beautiful today. It's not, last week I did some shooting in Central Park, and it was warmer, definitely, especially the second day I shot. I think it was Wednesday, but it was like 70 and it was very sunny. But yeah, it's like 63, 65 today. It's sunny, but it's cool. You know, it's not too warm. You know, I have my hoodie here. I'm okay. I'm not like, oh my god, it's too hot. So you can hear the subway here in Riverside Park. I'm right by the West Side Highway. Actually, you can hear the cars. It's the West Side Highway. But yeah, it's just a lovely day. So just thought I'd do a quick little vlog, and yeah, sounds good. All right, I'm gonna stop it here for now. You guys take care. Have a great day. Stay tuned, more content coming.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Until the next video, take care. Peace.